Say goodbye to kidney problems and hello to a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we'll show you the 9 powerful foods that your body needs to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Today we're going to delve into some of the best foods you can eat for healthy kidneys. Now, we know firsthand how important it is to keep our kidneys healthy and functioning properly. So in this video, you'll learn about these miracle working foods that are proven to do just that. These strategies can be implemented right away so you too can enjoy life without any kidney-related worries. Maintaining optimal kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, as the kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the body. While genetics and other factors can influence kidney health, your diet also plays a significant role in supporting these essential organs. In order to keep your kidneys functioning at their best, consider incorporating these 9 foods into your diet. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries, those tiny and vibrant gems, offer a powerhouse of kidney-boosting benefits. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they combat inflammation and oxidative stress, crucial factors in kidney health. The natural compounds in blueberries help shield your kidneys from potential damage while promoting overall wellness. What's more, blueberries are low in sodium and high in water content, contributing to healthy blood pressure and fluid balance, which are essential for proper kidney function. By including these delicious berries in your diet, you can maintain your kidneys' well-being and guard against kidney-related issues. They truly are an indispensable addition to your quest for robust kidney health. 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, with their crisp and refreshing nature, are a delightfully hydrating treat that offers more than meets the eye. Not only are they packed with water content to promote proper hydration and maintain healthy blood pressure, but they also play a crucial role in kidney health. Well-hydrated kidneys can effectively flush out toxins, making cucumbers an excellent choice. Furthermore, cucumbers boast antioxidants and compounds that may help reduce inflammation. Their low potassium and phosphorus content make them kidney-friendly, supporting overall kidney function. So, the next time you savor the cool crunch of a cucumber, remember that it's not only a tasty treat but also a wise choice for your kidneys' well-being. 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a versatile cruciferous vegetable, holds great potential as a kidney-friendly powerhouse. Not only is it low in potassium and phosphorus, reducing strain on these vital organs, but its rich fiber content supports digestion, while antioxidants combat inflammation and oxidative stress. This nutrient-packed food also aligns perfectly with kidney health goals due to its low sodium content. From roasted and mashed to added in stir-fries, cauliflower offers a delicious way to nourish your kidneys while promoting overall well-being. By incorporating this superfood into your diet, you can help sustain optimal kidney function and work towards your long-term health goals. 4. Fish. Fish, a nutritional powerhouse, offers a wide array of benefits to kidney health. Rich in high-quality protein, it promotes tissue repair and supports optimal kidney function. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, such as salmon and mackerel, possess inflammation-reducing properties that safeguard the kidneys from damage. Moreover, these fatty acids contribute to improved blood flow and help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, which are crucial for kidney health. Notably, fish is also low in saturated fats, lowering the risk of heart disease, often associated with kidney problems. With its multifaceted advantages, incorporating fish into your diet ensures long-term preservation of healthy kidney function. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, offers numerous health benefits that extend to kidney health. It is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that combat inflammation and support blood vessel function, crucial for optimal kidney function. Additionally, its rich antioxidant content shields cells from damage, reducing oxidative stress on the kidneys. By promoting better blood pressure control, olive oil indirectly safeguards against kidney disease. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties aid in preventing kidney inflammation. Including olive oil in your diet not only adds delightful flavor, but also contributes to maintaining healthy kidneys, making it a vital addition to your kidney-friendly food choices. 6. Garlic. Garlic, the aromatic bulb often used to enhance flavor, offers more than meets the senses. Packed with allicin, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, garlic supports kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Not only does this powerful plant ingredient aid kidney function, but it also helps regulate blood pressure, a critical factor in kidney health. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you're not only adding depth to your dishes, but also boosting your kidneys' defense against potential damage. It's a flavorful and functional addition that contributes to the overall wellness of these vital organs. 7. Onions. Onions, not just a culinary delight, but also a kidney-friendly powerhouse. Did you know that these flavorful bulbs are not only delicious, but also have numerous benefits for your kidneys? Let's explore why incorporating onions into your meals can contribute to maintaining kidney health. Onions are an ideal choice for individuals looking to maintain kidney health due to their low potassium content. This helps in reducing strain on vital organs. Packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, onions possess anti-inflammatory properties that benefit overall well-being. They support the body's natural defenses against inflammation. The chromium content found in onions aids in regulating blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications. This is particularly beneficial for individuals concerned about their glucose levels. By incorporating onions into your meals, you not only get to savor their distinct taste but also provide your kidneys with a natural boost. Enjoy the benefits of this versatile ingredient while supporting balanced bodily functions. Start including onions in your recipes today and let your taste buds and kidneys thank you for it. 8. Apples. Apples are not only delicious but also a vital addition to kidney-friendly diets. Packed with dietary fiber and offering a crisp texture, these fruits aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Moreover, apples serve as a natural source of antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. This is of utmost importance for maintaining kidney health, as excessive potassium levels can strain these vital organs. In addition to the above benefits, the soluble fiber in apples helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related kidney complications. By incorporating apples into your diet, you provide your kidneys with the essential nutrients and support they need, contributing to their optimal function and overall well-being. Enjoy the many benefits that apples bring to your kidney health today. 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are vibrant and remarkable berries that offer kidney protective properties. Packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, they are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, also known as UTIs, which are a common risk factor for kidney issues. These tiny fruits contain compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the likelihood of infection. By promoting a healthy urinary system, cranberries indirectly support kidney function. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can aid in preventing infections and potentially reduce the risk of kidney complications, making them a crucial addition to your kidney-friendly food arsenal. Discover the power of cranberries and safeguard your kidneys with this delicious addition to your meals. To maintain kidney health, it is important to be mindful of certain food choices. In addition to incorporating kidney-friendly foods, it is advised to limit consumption of processed foods high in sodium. Also, excessive intake of animal protein and foods rich in phosphorus and potassium should be moderated. Caring for your kidneys through a well-balanced diet is an investment in your long-term health. Here are some nutritious options you can incorporate into your meals to support optimal kidney function: blueberries, red bell peppers, cauliflower, fish, olive oil, garlic, onions, apples, and cranberries. These foods provide your kidneys with the essential nutrients they need. Remember, taking care of your kidneys through a thoughtful dietary approach can have long-lasting benefits for your overall well-being. When it comes to individual dietary needs, it's important to remember that they vary, and while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Therefore, it's highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. By approaching your diet consciously, you can proactively take steps towards maintaining healthy kidneys and leading a healthier life. In addition, before starting any new diet or trying out any new remedies to alleviate any health issues or concerns, it is important to check with your doctor or medical professional first. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with someone that it could help. Then please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment saying that you had subscribed, and we will try to reply as soon as we can. Thank you again for watching. Please check in regularly for more need-to-know natural remedies.